Hey guys, welcome to my channel Wiseman, and today I'm going to show you that how can you make the signature in your personal email, or let's say any professional email, how to make a signature effectively, very effective, and kind of a very having a very visual appearance, or you can say very interesting kind of signature that you can see whenever you are getting an email. You can find that the signature contains kind of very attractive things such as images, website link. Sometimes they are written in their own language. So how to modify or edit all these things in your email, and how can you get your personalized signatures? So let's quickly go over on this. Let's say if you want to make your personalized signature, go to setting of your Gmail account and then click on see all settings. Now over here, go to the bottom side in general tab, go to the bottom, and you can find this signature options, right? So this has to be made. If it is not there for you, click on create new. If it is there, you can edit it. Okay, so let's say I'm supposing that you don't know, and you are creating it for the first time. So click on create new and write signature name for this. Let's say signature one. Click on create, and you can have a blank option, blank page, or let's say blank side on this signature one. Now over here in the signature, first thing is that you will write with best regards, or like this. This is the first thing that will come, and you are sending it, so your name will come. So I am writing my name. Okay, and then let's say I want to provide my degree, so I'm writing PhD as my highest degree. Okay, so the same thing, as you can see, I provided this thing. Now I have provided the bold font size because I want to highlight my name. So just click on this bold font size, and bold font style, and then it will bold it. Okay, now as you can see in this, I have this dash, and then I have written my name in a Hindi language. And you can easily write, you know how to write your name in your uh, first language. If you are, let's say, from Pakistan, or let's say from Afghanistan, how can you write in Urdu or something like this? So you can just go to Google and just write that, um, write in Hindi or write in Arabic like this, and over here you will just type your name, and it will provide your name in that particular language, right? So you can just copy and paste this thing, like copy it, and then you can paste it easily. Click on paste as plain text, and PhD in Hindi it can be written as Vidya Vaspati. Okay, now then after this you have to provide your pronunciation, how you like, if anybody want to pronounce it, how you will pronounce you. So he, she, or let's say if you don't want to provide, you can omit this step. Then you will provide your designation. So I'm providing assistant professor mechanical engineering. Okay, so I can write that assistant professor, then mechanical engineering, right? And if you want to make it, let's say, in italics, you can make it italics also. So that way you can change, you can play with font style in your signature, right? And then you can also provide some images if you want, and these images you can download it from Google, or you can just copy and paste that also. If you want from other websites, or let's say other signature, you can do that also. So let's say I want to add an image over here, so click on this insert image, and you can search web. You can get your Google Drive wherever you have saved it. So from the My Drive also you can upload it, or you can upload it from some web address, or you can upload from your computer also. Click on select a file from your device, and over here I have this un a saved image for, let's say that I want to upload it. Click on that and it will upload that image for you. Okay, so that's about images and written text. And the last thing that I want to let you know is that you can provide your personal website link also. So let's say if I will click on this. So let's say in this signature I want to provide my personal web page link. So what I can do, I can write, okay, this is my personal web page. Okay, now as you can see, this is written as a personal web page. There is no link inserted onto this written words. For that, let's say you go to this website that you want to provide. So click on the address bar, copy it, copy this whole address. Now let's say you want to write kind of a you don't want to show the full website. You will just write, okay, this is my personal website. So I write that, then select that and click on this link, and then you want to just show that you have written personal website, you want to display this text, but whenever somebody click on this, it will take to this website. Click on OK. And now if I go over here, you can see that if I scroll the mouse, you can see it will take me to this website. So in this way you can make the signature very attractive without so much written text or links. You can just show the text that you want to show the images that you want to show, and it will look like this. So whenever you send some email, and the signatures will look like this. You have your name. If you want to show your name in different language, then images, and then personal website link. And as you can see, I will click on this. It will take me to the website that I have shown to you. So that's all for this video. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Before that, I want to show you some more things that I haven't used. So let's say if you want to change the font color also, if you that you can do. So let's say if I want to write this assistant professor in some different color, so I can go over here and I can select your favorite color if you want. You will highlight that. If you don't want to highlight, then go to white background color. Okay, and then if you want to, let's say, change, or if you want to, let me zoom it out. If you want to make it numbered, you can make it number, and there are more formatting options that you can play with it. You can also change the font style. Let's say Georgia for this, right? So that you can do by yourself. These are some options that you can play with. Okay, so let's say if you want to just if you want to change the text color, you can click on this text color. That will change the text color. Okay, that's all for this video. If you like